Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to prepare a result sheet for college students using Microsoft Office Excel. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to prepare a mark sheet for school students. But for college mark sheet, we need to add first paper, second paper, and practical marks for each subject. Here I have prepared a format showing subject to maximum marks, first paper marks, second paper marks, practical marks, total, percentage and grade. First I want to restrict the cells for allowing specific marks using data validation. But one important note that in these some subjects don't have practicals, so we need to create data validation separately for subjects with practical or subjects without practical. For Telugu, Hindi, English and Maths, we don't have practicals. So let's create data validation for this. Select all the cells for these subjects. Come to data menu. Click the arrow next to data validation. Select data validation. In allow, please select all number and select between in data field. In minimum, I want to enter 0. For maximum, I'm entering 50. Here each paper contains 50 marks. Together we will get 100 marks. And I want to show an error alert if anyone entered wrong number. For that, come to error alert. Here please enter the title, enter number below 50. Similarly, let's add error message. And click OK. Now let's enter the numbers more than 50. It will show an error alert. You have entered number more than 50. Similarly, let's enter less than 0. It will not accept the number. And after this, we need to add data validation for practical. Here I want to limit this to 0. Select the cells, come to data validation, settings, select whole number. In data, please select equal to. Here enter 0. If you want, you can add the error alert. Click OK. Now let's try to enter number in this. It will show the error alert. After that, select the subjects with practicals. Again come to data validation, select all number. In these subjects, first paper and second paper contains 40 marks each and practical 20 marks. So minimum enter 0, maximum 40. We can add error alert. Click OK. Come to practical, data validation, select all number. Here 0, in maximum 20. OK. And after this, I will fill these cells with marks. Welcome back. To find the total marks, we need to add first paper, second paper and practical marks. Select the cell, come to home menu. In this, I will use AutoSum formula. Select first paper, second paper and practical marks and press enter. Click and drag from bottom right corner to apply this to all the cells. Then it will show the total marks for all the subjects. And after calculating the total marks, to find the percentage, we need to divide total marks with maximum marks. Select the cell, type equal to, select the total marks cell, divided by, select the maximum marks and press enter. Before this, we need to convert these cells into percentage. After this, click and drag from bottom right corner and it is showing the percentage. And finally, let's add grades to each student. Below we have grade classification. If the percentage is greater than 75%, it will come into A grade. Similarly, greater than 60%, they will come under B grade. And the students who got greater than 45%, they will come under C grade. And the remaining students come under D grade. Select a cell in grade column and type equal to. If select the value in percentage, add greater than sign 75%. If it satisfies, it will show A grade. Within the double inverted commas, please type A. Add comma. Similarly, we need to use if formula to show all the grades. After adding all the grades, close the brackets and press enter. Click and drag from bottom right corner to apply this to all the cells. Now it is showing A grade for all the students. Let's modify the marks. And now it is showing the D grade for Hindi subject, which got 44%. And if you want to find the totals, vertically select the cell, use AutoSum formula, enter. Now click and drag horizontally Like this, we can prepare result sheet for college students using Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.